Let's go to the ABCDE of cornea, which is nothing but the anatomy of the cornea. A is for the anterior lamella. Lamella is nothing but made up of collagen fibrils. B is a basement membrane. C as a corneal stroma. D as a Descemet membrane. And E the endothelium of cornea. So you should know the exact arrangement of this ABCDE because various procedures that are being done on cornea like keratectomy, where there is a surgical excision of this cornea, and keratoplasty, where there is surgical repair of cornea or reconstruction of cornea. So here, when you know about this arrangement, we can classify the various types of keratoplasty as anterior lamellar keratoplasty, endothelial keratoplasty, and a penetrating keratoplasty. So if the repair and reconstruction is limited to the more anterior structures, say the anterior lamella and the basement membrane, this would qualify as an anterior lamellar keratoplasty. While if it is of more posterior nature, say the repair is being done to the endothelial layer of cornea, it is an endothelial keratoplasty, and a penetrating keratoplasty is that involves the entire structures of the cornea. So this is more extensive than all of the other procedures. So we have separate codes. So you should understand there should be corneal ulcerations or any severe disease of the cornea in order to report a penetrating keratoplasty.